Example 1, we have this inequality. What we're going to do within this inequality is we're going to simplify both sides to make it shorter. So the one thing we have to be very careful is that we have this negative 6 on the left side and on the right side in front of the parenthesis. So we're going to distribute to everything inside the parenthesis. Now don't forget that we have the 4p on the left side and plus 2 on the right side. So let's work on simplifying the left side. I'm going to distribute the negative 6 to the 5p, which will become negative 30p. Negative 6 to the positive 3 will be minus 18. Carry down the 4p. Bring down the less than. Well, actually that's greater than. So greater than inequality sign. And then I'm going to distribute the negative 6 again. This will become negative 6. Negative 6 times 4p would be minus 24p. Bring down the 2. Alright? So next we're going to combine like terms. So negative 30p with this plus 4p, that would be negative 26p minus 18. Greater than, I'm going to combine my numbers on the right side. So negative 6 plus 2, that will be negative 4 minus 24p. Alright, from there, I'm going to get all my variables on the left side and all my numbers on the right side. So I'm going to cancel out the minus 24p by adding 24p on the right and adding 24p on the left. Next, I'm going to cancel out my minus 18 by adding 18 on the left. Then I'm going to add 18 on the right. So when I do that, negative 26p plus 24p will be negative 2p greater than negative 4 plus 18, that will be 16. So from there, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 2. So my answer is negative 2p divided by negative 2 will be p. Be very careful, since I divide both sides by a negative number, I'm going to flip my inequality sign to the other direction. 16 divided by negative 2 will be negative 8. So that's our graph. Alright? That's our solution. P less than negative 8. Next, we're going to graph our solution. So, I'm going to write our number line. And then you just going to write one number. So all requiring is you write one number, which is negative 8. So when you have a solution just like this, a single number, you're just going to put it right in the middle. And then based on this inequality sign, it's going to be an open circle right here. So I'll put an open circle on top of the tick mark above negative 8. It says that p is less than negative 8. When it says p less than, numbers that are less than negative 8 is negative 9, negative 10, negative 11, negative 12, and so on. Those numbers are going towards the left. So I'm going to draw an arrow pointing to the left. And that is our graph for a solution. So that's all you have to do for graphing this solution. And example 2 is similar to the last example. We're going to be distributing the negative 5 on the left side and distributing the 4 on the right side. And we're working with less than or equal inequality sign. So when I distribute the negative 5 to the 4, that will become negative 20. Negative 5 to the 4p, that will be minus 20p. Less than or equal. And then distributing the 4 on the right side. So 4 to the positive 4, that will be 16. 4 to the minus 2p, that will be negative 8p. Alright, so I'm going to try to get all my variables to the left. So I'm going to cancel out the minus 8p by adding 8p on the right and adding 8p on the left. And then I'm going to cancel out my number on the left, so the opposite of minus 20 or negative 20 will be plus 20 on the left, therefore plus 20 on the right. So from there, I'm going to have negative 20p plus 8p, that will be negative 12p, less than or equal, and then 16 plus 20, that will be 36. To get p by itself, to solve for p, I'm going to divide the left by negative 12, therefore the right by negative 12. Since I divided by a negative number on both sides, I'm going to flip my inequality sign to the other direction. So it's going to be p greater than or equal to 36 divided by negative 12 would be negative 3. So that is my solution for this inequality, p greater than or equal to negative 3. Now, to graph, since we just only have a single number, I'm going to plot negative 3 in the middle. Based on the inequality sign, greater than or equal, since it has that little line underneath, it's going to be a closed circle, so we're going to shade it in. So it says that p is greater than or equal to negative 3. So we have completed the or equal part. Numbers that are greater than negative 3, so p can be any numbers that's greater than negative 3. So negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So those numbers lie on the right side of negative 3. So basically we're going to draw an arrow pointing to the right. And that's it. So this is our graph for our solution, p greater than or equal to negative 3.